Hi friends, केशाय तुम सगळीं सजमता तुम सगळीं बरी हाय म्हूण. आयज आम करुया potato chops with prawns. As you know friends, one of our Goan authentic seafood, sungta, which in itself has a sharp tasty flavor which makes our chops absolutely juicy and tasty when it is freshly prepared, which is delightfully covered in mashed potatoes, coated with egg mixture and wrap around with rava, and at last shallow fried. Absolutely tempting, served as a snack or with a main menu. So let's get started with a step-by-step method. Extremely tasty and delicious prawns chops with a combination of creamy potato with a spicy filling is a go-to-go recipe for you all to enjoy here with Valenka. So please note down the following ingredients which are easily available at our kitchen top. So firstly I have cut the potatoes, okay, आणि ते आता वॉश करता. एक दोन उदकान हांव ते वॉश करता. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमी विदाउट कटिंग पसून बॉयल करून जाता, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो हांव ते कट करता फॉर अ गुड रिजल्ट. मागीर हांव तितून घालतलें उदक, ओके, आनी हांव तें बॉयल करून दवरतलें आनी तितून हांव इल्लेशें सॉल्ट घालता टेस्टाक. ओके, सो कट केल्यार कित्याक लागोना तें, सो म्हाका तें एग्जॅक्ट बॉयल जावपा जाय. पियर्स कराय आनी चोयाय ती सारकें बॉयल जाला ऑर ना तो पोटॅटो. सारको स्मॅशी करपा गरज ना. पियर्स करून बॉयल जाला, दॅट्स इट. आनी उरता तें उदक सामकें ड्रेन कराय. डोंट कीप एनी वॉटर इन द कंटेनर. ड्रेन इट एंड कूल इट फॉर अबाउट 5 minutes आनी मागीर तेजी साल काडपाच्यो. ओके, कित्याक चड गरम आसतना इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट डू ट्राय एंड पील इट ऑफ वेन इट इज नायस एंड हॉट. ओके, हांवें हेचे पिल्स काडले. आतां हांव ते स्मॅश करता विथ अ स्मॅशर टूल यू कॅन यूज ऑर विथ अ फॉक एज वेल. आमकां ते सारकें स्मॅश करूंक जाय आनी जेन्ना तें गरम आसतलें तेन्ना तें इजिली स्मॅश जाता. ओके, नाजाल्यार इट वील बिकम हार्ड एंड इट वील बिकम हार्ड फॉर यू टू स्मॅश इट. So when it is nice and hot, it's better to smash it and to make a smooth dough. After smashing with a smooth dough, we don't need any lumps. Okay, it should be nice and smooth. You can also use your hand to make it a nice smooth dough. Secondly, I have cut 2 onions and 5-6 chilies I have taken finely chopped. Okay, and prawns also finely cut. Okay, so our second step is a filling step. Okay, आता आमकां फिलिंग रेडी करूंक जाय. सो लेट्स डू दॅट. हिंगा गेलां सुंगटां, तितून हांव घालता इल्लोसो टर्मरीक आनी सॉल्ट. ओके, आनी हांव तें बरें मिक्स करता आनी हांव तें दवरता मातशें वगत. बरो मसालो तो मीठ आनी टर्मरीक ताका लागोंक जाय. मागीर हांव घेतलें पॅन. ओके, तें पॅन हांव तें बरें प्री हीट करूंक जाय. Okay, so tap the pan. Once the pan is preheated, we are going to add prawns. Okay, so आता हांव घालता prawns. ते हांव बरें स्प्रेड करता पॅनाचेर, कित्याक आमकां तें बरें इवनली कूक जावपा जाय. ओके, बरें तें फ्राय जावपा जाय prawns. ओके, नायस गोल्डन आनी क्रिस्पी जावपा जाय. आनी मागीर हांव तितून घालतलें आमगेलें ऑनियन आनी चिलीज कट केलो हाय न्हू त्यो. ते घाल हांव मातशें वगत तें दाबून पियाव सॉफ्ट जाव पसून तें फ्राय करपाचें. आनी मागीर आमगेलें स्टफींग prawns filling is ready. Okay, so आमगे 2 steps जाले. One is mashed potatoes जाले, second is our filling is जाले. Now we are going to the third step. Third step is making round shapes आणि chops ready करपाचे. So this is our stuff with potato, onion, and this is potato, mashed potato, nice dough, and I have taken here rava. I have taken here roasted rava and 2 eggs. You can also use plain rava as well, fine or a coarse rava, anything. Okay, whichever is good for you. Magi हांव ते balls ready करता. इल्लोसो dough घेता हातीन mashed potato आनी ते हांव लाडू अशे balls ready करतले आनी मुठभर हांव घेता so that I get an exact size of the chops. Okay, so मुठभर घेवन हांव ते बरे round shape करतले and then हांव आतां इल्लेशें तेल लायता. Okay, and ताका बरी shape दिता. First you need to put it oil on your hand. मातशें hollow shape जावं करपाक दामू जावो. Okay, potato आनी तितून फिलींग घालपा जाय. एक कुलेर धाकलेशें घालून जाता. ओके, सारकें बसता तितून आनी सायडींतल्यानसून बरें दामून रावंड शेप करून क्लोज करपाचें फिलींग. ओके, स्टफींग. This is the way I'm showing you. Do exactly like that. It is very easy. आनी मागीर आख्खे शेप दी ताका round as I've shown you. Bari shape di. Okay, so this is how I made all the round and a flat chops with a round shape. Okay, this is how y'all need to make. Let's go to the fourth step, is coating the chops. Now we have to coat the chops with egg mixture and rava. As I told you, I have taken roasted rava. You can use any other rava. Plain rava will do also good. Okay, आता deep kotale chops into the egg mixture. Okay, ani wrap kotale with amgelo rava. Okay, nicely. Once it is nicely wrapped, give it a little bit more shape. Sogle the edge ahano the mashi brow take a round shape di make as you can make it nice and perfect circle shape. You can do it. I'll show you another one. Just take it and dip it into the egg mixture and then coat it into the rava with a nice flat round shape which will look also good. चोवपाकूय बरें दिसतलें आनी खावपाकूय बरें लागता. सारकें मेल्ट जाता in the mouth. Okay, so you can see I am ready करून दवरलें. सगळें equal shape जाला आनी equally flat जाला. Okay, you can see. Once it is done, you can even store this for future use. Nothing happens. You can keep it in a refrigerator. Make sure you don't keep it for too long. Just you can use it for 2 days. That's it, I can say, because nobody keeps for so many days. It is so tempting and mouth-watering, isn't it? So now we're going to fry it. Our final step is to shallow fry. Okay, we have taken here a pan and I'm going to put oil in it. A preheated pan, I'm going to place sogle the chops bre todar mantole आणि ते आमकां मातशें शॅलो फ्राय करूंक जाय कित्याक आमगेले सगळे स्टफ प्रिपेर्डू आहा. Mashed potato is also cooked and our filling is also nicely cooked. So just we need a light brownish coating and then we are done with our delicious prawns potato chops, isn't it? So please do make it and enjoy it with your friends and family. Our most delicious Goan prawns potato chops. Yummy, isn't it? So please do make it. The potato chops in itself are so soft, delightful, and literally melts in your mouth, isn't it? Can you see that? Literally melts in your mouth. So please, must try recipe, everyone. Thanks for watching my video and please like kurai, subscribe kurai, and zata title share kurai. Ani thank you for everyone who have subscribed to my channel. So tune in for more videos.